Hey there, my Tea Party Squad. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Takoa, also known as Southern Tea Time. And in today's video, you guys, I am going to be taking a trip down memory lane, and we are going to be flipping through my Happynichi. This is my Happynichi that I used in 2019, and so I'm going to be showing you my spreads from August of 2019 through December of 2019. So if you have been loving my Happynichi videos and my setups, then you will also love this flip through and see how I have been using it. So what I'll be doing toward the end, I will also be showing you some of my top 5 favorite spreads from August through December. So I'll pick out a few. Feel free to let me know down in the comments below what are some of your favorite spreads in my Happynichi for 2019. So I cannot wait to share that with you, and I think we should go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so that was it for that flip through. So let me show you a few of my favorite spreads. So this spread here, which was the last week of December, I absolutely love this because this is my Happy Hostess. It's fun and colorful, which I absolutely love. And I love this. And so one of the reasons why I love this was because on that 28th, I was able to host my first Happy Planner brunch, and I absolutely loved it. The next one was the week before. This was actually a girls trip that I took with a few of my friends, and I loved how I incorporated the Oso paper dolls in this. I love Oso paper dolls because it's all about encouraging your friends, your planner babes, all that. And so I wanted to use it for that. And I also love these flip out journal cards. So it just makes it so much easier when planning and writing out things. And I absolutely love how I was able to keep up with so many things in this, and also utilizing those boxes as a highlights for the week. I also love to use this colorful page here because it just makes it so much easier to tie in some other florals and some washes in here, and then also doing a highlight section on that side. And to be honest, I actually loved this one right here. A lot of you have been loving this Plan With Me for Happynichi Saturday, and I absolutely love it. This is the Teresa Collins collaboration stickers and washi that I use, and I absolutely love all of that. So that was a great one as well that I know a lot of you and also myself loved. And so another one that I absolutely love, and also a lot of you have been loving as well. This is actually a printable Happynichi sheet that I got from Alex Marie Designs. And I loved using this. I love the hexagon shapes in here, and then also using some scrapbook paper to do the little decorations and some stickers. Absolutely love it. A very easy spread to do. So make sure you check out that video if you haven't seen that setup as well. Another one that I like was this September monthly. I was going for a Finding Nemo theme because that's when the new movie came out. And so my family and I took the girls to see the movie, and that inspired me to do this September spread. And then I love how I utilized this highlight section as like a under the sea hidden treasure. And that's why I keep all of my little highlights for the month there, just kind of like an overview of highlights for the month of things that, you know, just kind of was good, was bad, or just something I wanted to remember. And so last but not least, this one. Okay, so my August spread, I had you guys choose a theme for this, and you guys chose the back to school theme. And so that's what I went with. You guys absolutely loved it. I enjoyed doing it. I was a little nervous at first, but I love how everything tied together, using some Oso paper dolls and also some of the student sticker books from the Happy Planner. Tying those in together just made the spread so much fun. And so I'm thinking about doing that again, letting you guys pick a theme for me so I can do a spread and create one just for you. So I hope you enjoyed this trip down memory lane in my Happynichi of August 2019 through December 2019. And if you did, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure that if you have not subscribed yet, please make sure you do so, and stay tuned for my upcoming video and check out some more videos here at my tea party.